Hey racers, welcome back. There's a method going viral that supposedly gives you unlimited golden cash in CSR2, right from your phone. No PC, no complicated setups. It sounded almost too fast to be true, so I decided to test it on the track myself. In this video, I'll walk you through each step, show what I did, and reveal the results. So, buckle up. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. Next, I jumped into my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser works. I went to the site everyone's talking about and searched for the CSR2 Unlimited Golden Cash Hack Tool. The page loaded clean. No shady redirects or spammy pop-ups, which honestly made it feel more legit than I was expecting. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and made sure everything looked correct before continuing. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if the hack really worked, I hit the gas and reopened CSR2. I checked my golden cash balance, and they were already there. No lag, no game restart. It updated instantly on my device. Honestly, that was smoother than I thought it would be. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.